Hello animal lovers, welcome to another video about why cats and dogs hate each other. At first we will listen to a interesting Chinese folktale story which says how dogs and cats became enemies, and then we will discuss the scientific reason. The story goes like this. Once upon a time there was a man and his wife, and they had a ring of gold. It was a lucky ring, and whoever owned it always had enough to live on. But this they did not know, and hence sold the ring for a small sum. But no sooner was the ring gone than they began to grow poorer and poorer, and at last did not know when they would get their next meal. They had a dog and a cat, and these had to go hungry as well. Then the two animals took counsel together as to how they might restore to their owners their former good fortune. At length the dog hit upon an idea. "They must have the ring back again," he said to the cat. The cat answered, "The ring has been carefully locked up in the chest where no one can get at it." "You must catch a mouse," said the dog, "and the mouse must gnaw a hole in the chest and fetch out the ring. And if she does not want to, say that you will bite her to death, and you will see that she will do it." This advice pleased the cat, and she caught a mouse. Then she wanted to go to the house in which stood the chest, and the dog came after. They came to a broad river, and since the cat could not swim, the dog took her on his back and swam across with her. Then the cat carried the mouse to the house in which the chest stood. The mouse gnawed a hole in the chest and fetched out the ring. The cat put the ring in her mouth and went back to the river where the dog was waiting for her and swam across with her. Then they started out together for home in order to bring the lucky ring to their master and mistress. But the dog could only run along the ground. When there was a house in the way, he always had to go around it. The cat, however, quickly climbed over the roof, and so she reached home long before the dog and brought the ring to her master. Then her master said to his wife, "What a good creature the cat is. We will always give her enough to eat and care for her as though she were our own child." But when the dog came home, they beat him and scolded him because he had not helped to bring home the ring again. And the cat sat by the fireplace, purred, and said never a word. Then the dog grew angry at the cat because she had robbed him of his reward, and when he saw her, he chased her and tried to seize her. And ever since that day, cat and dog are enemies. So cats are the real cunning villains according to this story, right? Now let's talk about the scientific reason. A casual interaction between a cat and a dog can turn sour quickly, usually leading to one of these creatures chasing or pouncing on the other. This tumultuous relationship is so widespread that it led to the coining of the phrase "fighting like cat and dog." Cats and dogs can peacefully coexist within the same household, but why do they seem to hate each other? Dogs and cats hate each other because of the predator-prey relationship. Dogs have the desire to give chase to smaller animals, and cats have the instinct to run away when they feel threatened. The two species also fight to assert their role in household hierarchy or retain their territory. So that was it, my friends. Do you know more about why cats and dogs hate each other? If you do, please write that down in the comments. Please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon for more animal and spirituality related videos. Thanks for watching. Goodbye animal lovers. Tata.